Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to hard reset your Sonos RAY soundbar. You might want to do this if you're having connection issues where your soundbar won't connect to Wi-Fi or to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or just any other issues, troubleshooting issues like that. A hard reset will fix a lot of them, and it's very easy to do. So all we need to do is come around to the back of your speaker here, and you can see where the power cord goes in. So what you're going to do is you want to unplug it. And once you unplug it, you can go ahead and press and hold the infinity button. And you're just going to press and hold it and continue to hold it. And while you're holding it, you're going to plug your speaker back in. And once you plug the speaker back in, you're going to continue to hold. And you'll see there's the little indicator lights on the front. They'll start to blink white. And you just keep holding until they blink like orange or red. And then you can let go and allow it to complete its reset process. Once it does, it will turn green and you can reconnect your soundbar to whatever device you like.